Hi everybody! Welcome to the Science Buddy series. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services and I'm joined with my little buddy,
Abby.
And we have another buddy with us today. His name is Jax and he's hanging out on the couch. Today, the experiment is...
A volcano.
You got it. We are going to make a volcano. And the ingredients you need for your volcano are...
A tall glass. Measuring cups. A spoon.
Baking soda.
Vinegar. Food coloring.
And
Dish soap.
that's it. Those are all the ingredients you need. So everybody, pause your video. Get your glass, measuring cups, spoon, dish soap, baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. So pause your video, go get your stuff, and then come back. We'll see you soon. One thing we forgot to mention is you need a tray. You need a tray to catch the mess because the volcano is going to be messy. So if you do not have a tray, quick, pause your video, go get a tray, and then come back so we can start the experiment. Welcome back, everybody. Do you have all the ingredients you need? Awesome. So let's get started. Step number 1 for the volcano. We need
Vinegar.
and
A cup.
a measuring cup. We need to measure half cup. 1/2 cup of vinegar. So on your measuring cup, it says 1/2. That's 1/2 cup of vinegar. Here we go. Okay. I have 1/2 cup of vinegar. Now, pause your video and pour 1/2 cup of vinegar into your measuring cup. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, did everybody pour vinegar in their measuring cup? Do you have 1/2 cup of vinegar? Yes? Awesome. Okay, step number 2, you need dish soap and
Food coloring.
you got it. Dish soap and food coloring. So you need to pour some dish soap into the cup. Good. And then pour some food coloring into the cup. Awesome. Next, give it a stir. Perfect. Okay. So you have 1/2 cup of vinegar. Pour in dish soap and food coloring. So pause your video, pour dish soap and food coloring into the vinegar. We'll see you in a minute. Did everybody pour dish soap and food coloring into their vinegar? Awesome. Okay, let me hear what colors you picked. Good choices. The next step, we need our vinegar and tall glass. We are going to pour the vinegar into the glass. Perfect. Okay. So everybody, pause your video, pour the vinegar, soap, and food coloring into the glass. Then come back and we'll do the last step. Hello again. Did everybody pour their vinegar, soap, and food coloring in their glass? Awesome. Okay, then it's time for the last step, the very exciting step. For this, you need a measuring cup and baking soda. So we are using a 1/4 cup. So 1/4, a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Okay, so we have a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Let's make some guesses. What do we think will happen? Abby, what do you think?
I think it's gonna explode.
Oh, she thinks it's going to explode. It is a volcano. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Okay, Abby, you pour the baking soda in the cup. There we go. Oh, that's cool. It's erupting. It's exploding slowly. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Whoa. It's still going. Cool. Okay, everybody. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to pour some baking soda into the vinegar. I wonder what will happen. So pause your video, pour in a 1/4 cup of baking soda, then come back and tell us what happened. We'll see you soon. Welcome back again. Did you all pour the baking soda into the vinegar mixture? You did? Awesome. What happened? Let's hear it. Cool. That sounds amazing. Well, did you all make a mess like we did? It's a good thing we remembered the tray. That's all for today. This was our volcano. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services. This was my buddy,
Abby.
and thank you again for joining us at the Science Buddy series. We will see you again soon. Bye, everybody.